I'm a cold-blooded...
I got this one.
So dainty and bird-like? So... Yes, at times I feel... No, wait! It's... something new! I'm trying for the character!
Interview. You're in charge of the store.
Go get him, Nutley.
Double chocolatey fudge extra creamy cream pie.
Out of this place. That's right.
And then he had a lion and a hippo and even a shark. No, 2 sharks. He ate every piece of food he could find. Holy bananas!
A toast to a beautiful lady. Oh.